Alright, so as you can see, I have the Raptor pulled up here, and we're getting ready to dump this motor in. I'm going to do my best to just take this thing and muscle it in there the same way I muscled it out. I'm going to pull the swing arm bolt, at least drag it to the side, because the back of our motor goes in here, and then this bolt slides right through the motor. And then I'll see if I can line up this bolt down here. Might have to use a jack, put it underneath, just to raise up the motor so I don't have to hold it while I put that bolt in. And then the rest of the bolts should just fall into place. Alright guys, I got this thing all hooked up. I don't have the wires routed yet, and you know, I still have some finishing touches to do, but I have everything together. I have the oil in there, I put the antifreeze in, I don't have the chain on there yet. I just want to see if the thing runs. So I have the battery hooked up. I'm pretty sure I have all my T's crossed and my I's dotted. I think it will start, so let's give it a shot. I knew this thing would start. So that's an awesome sign right there. I'm going to call it there for tonight, guys, and I didn't want to leave it running because I'm going to put an hour meter on it. I want to see exactly how much time I get out of this motor. So basically everything's done. I just have to tidy up all those wires and everything and put the plastics on and put the shifter on, little odds and ends like that, and then I can ride this thing, man. So after that, the plastics and stuff are on there. I'm going to put a graphics kit on it, and that's going to be it. And I'm probably going to get skid plates for it too, because where I ride, it's up in the coal mines, and the last thing I want to do is bust a hole in my case. That would really suck after all this work. And there's not even a plastic factory skid on this thing. So definitely going to get either a nice thick aluminum skid or one of those poly skids. I'm not really sure what I'm going to get yet. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to check out my Instagram and my Facebook page. My Instagram is Sabo350. Facebook is ATVCrazy91. On my Instagram, I've been posting some before and afters and some pictures of me when I was younger and the stuff I used to work on. So make sure you check that out. Anyways, guys, enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Might be enjoy your week. I'm not sure when I get this finished editing. But anyway, guys, have a good one.